Ever wondered about the significance of maintaining a healthy liver? As our primary detoxifying organ, the liver plays a vital role in our overall health. This powerhouse organ is responsible for filtering out toxins, aiding in digestion, and regulating our metabolism. Its importance simply can't be overstated. In a world filled with pollutants and processed foods, the liver's job is tougher than ever. Maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being. But how can we support our liver in its detoxification process? Supporting liver health isn't as complicated as it sounds. Here are some straightforward steps to aid your liver's detox process. First and foremost, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water each day helps your liver flush out toxins, so aim for at least 8 glasses. Next, let's talk about diet. A balanced diet that includes leafy greens, antioxidant-rich fruits, healthy fats like avocados and nuts, and lean proteins can give your liver a boost. On the flip side, try to limit fatty and processed foods. Don't forget about herbs and spices. Including ingredients like turmeric, milk thistle, ginger, or garlic in your meals can support your liver's detox processes, thanks to their antioxidant properties. Physical activity is another significant factor. Regular exercise, especially aerobic exercises like walking or jogging, increases blood circulation and helps your liver work more efficiently. Now let's touch on the topic of alcohol. It's no secret that excessive alcohol can damage your liver, so moderation is crucial. You might also consider detox supplements. Certain supplements like N-acetylcysteine or milk thistle extract may offer additional support for your liver's detox functions. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of rest and sleep. Your liver works hard while you're sleeping to regenerate and detoxify, so make sure you're getting enough shut-eye. Before embarking on any diet, supplementation, or detox program, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional. These steps, when incorporated into your daily routine, can greatly aid your liver's detox process. Let's summarize the key points we've discussed about supporting liver health. Water is essential. Drinking at least 8 glasses a day helps flush toxins from the body, aiding the liver in its detoxification process. A balanced diet, featuring leafy greens, antioxidant-rich fruits, healthy fats, and lean proteins, is another pillar of liver health. Remember to spice up your meals with liver-friendly herbs like turmeric, milk thistle, ginger, and garlic. Regular physical activity, especially aerobic exercises, boost blood circulation and toxin elimination. However, moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Excessive consumption may lead to liver damage. Certain supplements like N-acetylcysteine or milk thistle extract can potentially support the liver's detox functions. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. The liver works hard while you rest, regenerating and detoxifying. Remember, before starting any new diet, supplement, or detox program, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Take care of your liver, and it will take care of you.